Hello students, welcome to my channel The Maths Grow by Suraj. This is your mentor and teacher Suraj Kumar. Today we are going to continue our discussion on ratio and proportion. In this video, we will start with the topic of proportion. So, what is proportion? See, if there are four quantities, let's suppose A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion if and only if A by B is equals to C by D. Okay. There is another term called as continued proportion. Then what is continued proportion? If A by B will be equals to B by C, then it will be known as continued proportion. Okay. Now, if A comma B comma C are in continued proportion, then this B will be called as mean proportion between A and C. So we can write it as B square equals to AC. देखिए कहाँ से आया B square equals to AC? Now see, A by B is equals to B by C. On squaring both sides, sorry, on multiplying cross multiplication, we will get B square equals to AC. So B is equals to root under AC. Okay. And I want to add something over here. If somewhere A comma B comma C comma D is said to be in continued proportion, then you will write it as A by B is equals to B by C is equals to C by D. Okay. So let's start with the questions. Find the value of x in the given proportion. As it is already mentioned here, it is a case of proportion. So we will write this as 3 by x is equals to 24 upon 2. Just cross multiply it. 24 into x, that is equals to 3 into 2. Then value of x will be 3 into 2 divided by 24. 3 8s are 24 and 2 4s are 8. Then value of x will be 1 by 4. This will be your answer. Now see question number B. X by x is 250. This is the sign of an equal to. Okay, don't be confused. Then we will write it as x by 50 is equals to 3 by 2. Just cross multiply it. 2 into x is equals to 3 into 50. Then value of x will be 3 into 50 by 2. It will come 25. Then 3 into 25 is 75. Okay, this will be your answer. Now move on to the next question. See, in the second question, it is given that find the fourth proportion to 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 5. We will take the fourth proportion as x, so we can write it as 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4, that will be equal to 1 by 5 divided by x. Just cross multiply it. 1 by 3 into x, that is equals to 1 by 5 into 1 by 4. Okay, x will be equals to 1 by 5 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. So value of x will be 1 by 5 into 1 by 4 into that 1 by 3 will become 3. So the answer will be 3 upon 20. This will be your fourth proportion. Like that, here you also find the value of x, that is our required fourth proportion. So we will write it as 1 by 5 divided by 2.5. 1.5 divided by 2.5, that is equals to 4.5 divided by x. So cross multiply it, you will get 1.5x is equals to 4.5 into 2.5. Don't be confused with the decimal. Okay, see, this decimal will reduced to 100 in the denominator, and this decimal will go up to the numerator as 10. Okay, this decimal and this decimal became 100 in the denominator, and this decimal is reduced to 10 in the numerator. So what we will get, we will cancel this one out. 5 3 5 5 5 2 10. Okay, 3 15 is a 45. Then your answer will be 15 upon 2, that is equals to 7.5. Okay, now in the third question, here you have to find the third proportion. So we will take the third proportion as x. Then we can write it as 5 upon 10 is equals to, what you can write over here, you have to take it as continued proportion. Okay, so 5 by 10 is equals to 10 upon x. Don't break the series. Don't write it as 10 by 5 is equals to x by 5. You have to write in the sequence that first number is divided by second number, that will be equals to second number divided by third number. So cross multiply it. 5x is equals to 100. So x will be equals to 100 upon 5. That is x equals to 20. Okay. Now see part B. Here also you have to take the third proportion x. So 0.24 divided by 0.6, that will be equals to 0.6 by x. So cross multiplying we will get 0.24x is equals to 0.6 into 0.6. देखिए यहाँ पे मैं 0.6 इंटू 0.6 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करूँगा. क्यों नहीं करूँगा? क्योंकि वो आगे जा कर के और रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, इसीलिए. तो 0.6 इंटू 0.6 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.24. सारे पॉइंट्स को मैं हटाऊंगा. यहाँ से 2 पॉइंट हटा तो नीचे 100 आ गया, और यहाँ से 2 पॉइंट हटा तो ऊपर में भी 100 आ गया. ये 100 दोनों कट गया. ये 6 1 ज़ा एंड 6 4 ज़ा, और ये 2 2 ज़ा 4 एंड 2 3 ज़ा 6. सो आंसर ऑफ x विल बी 3/2. तो इसका अल्टीमेट वैल्यू क्या आ गया? 1.5. ओके, नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. See, the fourth question demands that we have to find the mean proportion of 1 by 12 and 1 by 75. Okay, we know that the mean proportion is equals to root under AC. So this is the value of A and this is the value of C. Then mean proportion will be equals to root under 1 by 12 into 1 by 75. Okay, what we can write it as 1 by 12 क्या होता है? 2 into 2 into 3. और 1 by 75 आप क्या लिख सकते हो? 5 into 5 into 3. On pairing we will get 1 by 2 3 5. 1 by 2 into 3 into 5. The value of this one will be 30. Okay, 1 by 30 is your mean proportion between 1 by 12 and 1 by 75. जस्ट मुझे क्या करना है? स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड कर देना है, वहीं से मुझे मिल जाएगा. तो यहाँ भी मीन प्रोपोर्शन कैसे आएगा देखते हैं. मीन प्रोपोर्शन इज इक्वल्स टू रूट अंडर 8.1 into 2.5. Then we can write it as 81 by 10 into 25 by 10. We know that square root of 81 is 9 and 25 is 5, and 10 into 10 will be 10. Then the ultimate answer will be 4.5. How? 9 into 5, that is, or you can also cut over here, then 9 by 2 is also 4.5. Now see question number 5. If x comma 12 comma 16 comma b are in continued proportion, then we have to find the unknown values, that is a and b. We know that if the numbers over here are in continued proportion, then we can write it as a by 12 is equals to 12 by 16 and equals to 16 by b. Okay, so we will cut this part. 4 3s are 4 4s are. Okay, now equate these two parts and these two parts, so you will get a by 12 is equals to 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 is equals to 16 by b. On cross multiplying, you will get a into 4, 3 into 12, then a will be equals to 3 into 12 by 4, that is equals to 9. So a is equals to 9. Here 3b is equals to 16 into 4, so b will be 16 into 4 divided by 3. So b will be 64 upon 3. This will be your answer. Now see the sixth question. What must be added to 5, 11, 19, 37 so that they are in proportion? So what we will do over here? We will take a number that is x and we will add this x with every number, that is 5 plus x divided by 11 plus x is equals to 19 plus x by 37 plus x, because after adding this number x, these four numbers will be directly becomes in proportion. Okay, now we have to cross multiply this one. So 5 plus x will be multiplied with 37 plus x, and this 19 plus x will be multiplied with 11 plus x. On multiplication, you will get 5 into 37, that is 35, 5 3 is a 15, 185 plus 5x plus 37x plus x square. Here also 19 into 12, that is 209. 209 plus 19x plus 11x plus x square. So x square is gone. 185 plus 37 plus 5, that is 42x, that will be equals to 209 plus 19 plus 11 will be 30x. So this 30 will come over here and 185 will go that side. 42x minus 30x, that is equals to 209 minus 185. Then 15 plus 9, that is 24, and over here 12x. So the value of x will come 2. Okay, so this will be your answer. This is the required number that must be added to all these numbers so that these four numbers will become proportion. Okay, so thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.